Hi, I'm Cassie from Qingdao TNT Homeware Company Limited. Today I would like to introduce this fashion wooden storage unit. The storage unit is made of MDF and willow. The frame is solid MDF and very sturdy. The drawer is made of willow, which is natural material. You can check the details. We weave it very tightly. The quality is very good. The liner, you can take it off to wash when it is dirty. You can check the inside. For the bottom, we use the engraving machine to make this molding shape. You can check the size, the back, This storage unit is a perfect addition to the hallway, lounge, or bedroom. You can put anything inside. The drawers, you can put little stuff inside, such as toys, cosmetics, makeup inside. There's room on top. You can put anything on it. Candles, other accessories, cups. Let's check the size. The length 33, the width 26, the height 76 centimeter. The weight is 7 kilogram. It can load 555 pieces in 40 container. A lot of customers like this kind of storage unit. We export to UK countries. And if you have any idea, please advise what you want. Our designer can send you mock-up pictures for your selection. For the frame and drawers, we can make any color. For the drawers, we also can change other material, such as paper, fabric, water hyacinth, as you like. Our MOQ is 100 pieces. You can mix each item in 40 container. We will make the sample in 10 days and free of charge. If you are interested in it, please send email to me. I will send the quotation to you at once. Thank you for watching.